That's a big bastard. He's walking over to that brown stuff now. Yeah. He's feeding. He's working his way over in that trees. We would have to come across that rim. We come straight across that rim. All the way around.
I can't see him.
And then come straight down.
He's in this lower one, isn't he?
No, he's right on that. This one up here.
Oh, see the, yeah,
That's a big boy, though. That is a big boy. Big old boy. See him, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see it. I can still see it when I get out.
Yeah.
I can still see it when I get out.
Yeah, you can see him with your naked eye right now. He's that black dot.
I think to the left of that.
To the right here. To the right of the tree. Over here. So you got the Christmas tree that he walked in behind.
Mm-hmm.
He's on the right side of it, coming around, and there's a
right.
And there's a fur that's bent over like this, and right off the tip of it underneath below. It's the fact that I didn't turn the camera on.
Then you stopped me and I squatted. And the door was falling. I was in the hands. And I started following him and he was sitting back at me. And the next thought, I asked you if I should take it. And he turned and I had a shoulder shot.
That's perfect. And then when she shot, I couldn't tell how the bear reacted because he's through all this shit back here because we're clear back, way back over in that, right on the edge of the creek, which is not that far. It's about 80 yards. And that was a pretty good bear, but pretty good sized bear. But we're not seeing like where he rolled around or anything. And these corn lilies really aren't laid down like you would expect if he tore off out of here. And it looked like he paused after the shot. He didn't like immediately take off. So he either like spun and I could just see his side for a second and then took off, or he just like, what the hell, and then ran off and didn't get hit. But we're right at the initial hit site, so it might take a little ways for it to show blood. But I think you're right. Those corn lilies look kind of like, I think he was standing over here. And he smashed through here.
He's the big one too right here.
Yeah, he could have been. He might have been rolling around again. He might be right here still, so just keep your eyes open. I don't know. We'll check back in a minute. We're going to keep looking. We looked all over. Can't find nothing but tracks, no blood, no hair. And we found where he ran off. Thought he had run to the right, but that tracks lead to almost straight away. That's why it looked like he stood there for a minute after she shot to me. But he actually was already running straight away. And couldn't find no blood, no hair, no nothing. Got back to where we shot from, and there's quite a bit of, I mean, you could weasel a bullet through there, and it's only 80 yards, but there's quite a bit of stuff fairly close to our side in the path. On the other side, like on the bear's side, there's what's hard, it's pretty clear over there. But yep, no dice. So we're getting back across the log of doom there. Before it gets too dark, and we're gonna go see if maybe we can find another one. And we're gonna check the gun just for a good measure.
That's a sound. You're right. Cubs are pretty big. It's like that's not this year's cub. That's last year's. 75 yards, 80 yards, maybe a little further. Very cool to watch on that, isn't it? So she'll kick that cub loose this winter. To go be by itself. I think she smelled us. She finally smelled us. What do you think of that?
That's pretty cool. It would have been cool if it was a boar.
Yeah. If it was a shooter, it would have been dead.
It was pretty cool.
If it was a shooter, it would have been dead all day long.
Saw the babies though before we got up to it.
Well, the one baby, he only won. She only had one.
It was cool to watch them.
Took her a long time to realize we were here.
Mm-hmm.
The wind is just swirling. It's been blowing down to them and back up to us and down to them. Oh. All right, well, it's getting dark quick.
Yeah, we should probably get out.
About a mile to the truck, so. Well, at least it's not a skunk day. We seen 2 bears,
Yeah.
and we were way inside a range.
Yeah.
Right?
Very cool for you.
That's pretty fucking cool, huh?
We're at least able to stalk down to them.
It's good practice.
Mm-hmm.